Yung mga comment ni MJZ, yung post 5 namin sa Twitch mo. Noob ka daw.
Real yan?
Siya yan. Englishin mo.
Dude. You wanna go home?
Hello?
Put your butt in your butt place, bro. You know what I mean, bro? Cuz,
Darling, oh,
this
darling.
is my territory.
Darling,
Cuz,
nababasa mo ba yung utak ko?
사차!
just be careful on what you are saying, MJZ. I'm gonna give you business class if you go home. Natatawa ba? Baka putang ina, labanan ng tutuan yan, huy.
Sakto lang. Kaya mo to.
Kaya ko yan.
Oo, kaya
Malit
mo to.
lang ba yan?
Siguro sa stream mo,
Kasi
tinatouch
tangkap
mo
lang
na
yata
ako.
ni Gabi Day.
Talo siguro tong game na to.
Putang ina, babalibag ko yan.
Ano yan, mga mid-player?
You know that Kuko is the godfather of Philippine Dota, bro. Di ba, Kuko? Ikaw yung godfather ko?
Before I play Dota, I'm a boxer. So just be careful on what you want to say about me. Yeah, just telling you, my friend.